Today we are going to study the second chapter of ninth class, The Sound of Music. This chapter is about two musicians and their life. In the first part, we will learn about multi-talented musician Evelyn Glennie, and the second part is about Bismillah Khan. We may know about him, the Shahanai player. The Sound of Music summary recaps the whole chapter in a simpler and easy form. In this chapter, students will learn about the interesting life of the two musical legends. One part is about the Scottish musician Evelyn, and the other is about Indian legend Bismillah Khan. Further, this chapter chooses these two musicians about of their interesting lives. It will help students to gain insight into their struggles and hard work. You will learn how hard work and determination can serve us well. It stays true to its name and gives us uh, inside stories and facts behind the glamour of these musicians. The first part of the story is about a Scottish girl named Evelyn. She was very fond of music and she lost her hearing power at a young age. She don't have any capability of hear anything. So just imagine about Evelyn. She never had a chance to hear anything in his life. In her younger age itself, she lost her hearing capacity. So you just imagine about such a personality who can't hear and who is able to compose music and who is able to play instruments. It is about such a girl. Her name is Evelyn. It was first noticed when she was 8 years old. When she was 8 years old, she could know about her incapabilities, that she could not hear. By 11 years, she was completely deaf due to nerve damage. Due to the nerve damage, she became completely deaf. So just imagine about Evelyn. She became a deaf person, but let's see about her capabilities. Even though she had a lot of incapabilities, she because of her hard work she found her own status in the society. Evelyn did not give up hope and never looked back. She was determined to lead a normal life and pursue her interest in music. Once she saw a girl playing xylophone, it is a instrument, and decided to play it. Most of the teachers discouraged her, but percussionist Ron Forbes encouraged her, and most of the teachers discouraged her because she is deaf person, and most of the teachers thought that a deaf person may not be able to play any kinds of instrument, especially anything related to music, because only a person who can hear can properly compose a music. So most of the teachers discouraged her. But one person who was the master of Evelyn helped him and encouraged her, whose name was Ron Forbes. He was one of the renowned musician during that period. He made her he made her learn music by making her feel different notes in her body. Evelyn did not have any kinds of hearing capacity, so he told him to learn about, understand about the feelings, so that she may be able to study about the music. By instead of listening, she tried to feel the music. Then that was the first stage of her musical career. So this is the image of Evelyn. She is deaf. Just imagine that she is the person composing in the yeah, composed a lot of music, and she has done a lot of stage programs. So even though she had a lot of trials and tribulations, she, because of her hard work, she could achieve her goals. So the rest was sheer determination. Sheer means ardent, deep desire and deep determination and hard work. She traveled the United Kingdom with a youth orchestra, and by the time she was 16, she lost her hearing capacity at the age of 11, but she, because of her hard work, she could travel the United Kingdom with the company of orchestra in the age of 16. She had decided to make music her life. She auditioned for the Royal Academy of Music, one of the renowned academies of music. It is only few renowned persons could able to study in that academy, but she auditioned for that and scored one of the highest marks in the history of academy, and she could achieve one of the highest marks. So she gradually left orchestral work and started giving solo performance. You just imagine a deaf person who conducting a solo performance. She can't hear anything. We may also have that astonishment. How can a person who can't hear can perform a musical instrument? But she not only played a musical instrument, she could able to play a lot of instruments. At the end of her 3 years course, she had received most of the top awards. She also got a lot of good awards. She explains that music flows through every part of her body. It tingles in the skin, her cheekbones, and even in her hair. So instead of listening the music uh, with the body, with the limbs of the body, she could feel the music. She actually yeah, felt the music instead of hearing the music. When she plays the xylophone, she can sense the sound passing up the stick into her fingertips. So she felt that the music is flowing through her fingertips. By leaning against the drums, she can feel the resonances. Resonance means sounds flowing into her body. Actually, he used almost all part of his body to understand the music on a wooden platform. So instead of she can't hear, so with the vibrations only she could understand the music. So he stood on a wooden platform. She removes her shoes so that the vibration pass through her bare feet and up her legs. Evelyn is a perfect example that disability cannot stop a person to achieve if she is determined and works hard towards it. She earned many awards. She had given enormous pleasures to millions. So, uh, this is the image of Evelyn, and because of even though she had a lot of incapabilities, in a lot of hardship in front of her path, her ardent determination and hard work helped him to uh, s- search his goal. So, just read about Evelyn and please write about Evelyn. And you just in your textbook you can see a lot of musical instruments. You just mention about the musical instruments, and there are a lot of pictures. You just write about those musical instruments. So this is the story of Evelyn, who faced a lot of problems in her life, but she was not ready to give up her goal. She was just a person like just a human being, but we can see a similar person in our in the world history. That is Helen Keller, who was not able to hear or listen, but she wrote a lot of good works. In the same way, Evelyn also is such a personality who struggled a lot to reach in her goals. Thank you.